Hey guys, so my Just Pigments order came in and I'm going to be using the blue orange chameleon pigment from them today. I'm going to start off with the Profusion pigment base. You just need a tiny bit of this. In order to save time, I actually already put this on the other eye. And the reason why I'm using this is because I'm going to use a regular eyeshadow in conjunction with the pigment. And I'm going to use Nautical. I'm going to put that in the crease. This is the Profusion Spectrum palette. I don't know if I said that or not. And I'm just going to put a little bit of this on the outer part of my lid. All right, now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Color Tattoo Cream Shadow in Risk Taker because you need to put this over a black base because see, even though it looks white, this is the Just Pigment in blue orange. Even though that looks white, it will transform once I put the black base down. And I'm trying to go down, get it right down to the lash line. Try and get this as even as I can. I think I'm gonna I was originally going to leave the outside edge open, but I changed my mind. I'm going to do the whole lid. Okay. I'm just taking another brush and I'm going to smooth out the edges so it doesn't look all jagged. And this is the brush that I used for the blue, so that should work. All right, you ready? This is where the magic happens. Okay. So I'm just going to dip this flat synthetic brush into the pigment and using a patting swiping motion, apply it over the black. You ready for this? Look at that. Oh my God. It's so amazing. I don't really understand how this works, but it's pretty cool. And I'm just like adding a little bit more, trying to cover up that black. Okay, now I wore away some of the blues, so I'm going to go back in and just run this in the crease again because I lost some of it when I applied that. And now I can see the black peeking out in between, so I'm going to just add a little more pigment in that top part of that black section. There we go. Okay. All right, now what I'm going to do, I'm doing this one eye at a time. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a black eyeliner. This is the Ioni pencil eyeliner in black. Actually, no, what I'm going to do first is, where did I put it? I was going to use a colored eyeliner and this, but let's just put this black on the waterline. And then let's take this small shader brush and take some of that blue and run that along that lash line. And just try to incorporate that color all the way around. And make sure you bring it out to where it meets up with the blue that we put over here. I'm going to take it down the inner corner as well. So that we don't have any strange gaps of white showing. Okay. I'm going to do my lower lashes with my Ioni Volumizing Black Mascara. Do the top lashes with my Ioni Dramatic Black Mascara. Okay, I'm going to do the other eye off camera and apply false lashes and come back and show you the completed look. Okay, so that is the look with the lashes. And I'm going to put a little bit of Milani Make It Last setting spray, and that will help, of course, hold it in place. All right, so that is my Just Pigments Blue Orange. It just amazes me how when you put it over the black like that, the color just pops. So thank you for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.